Buenas and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing. Today we are in Cliffside Park, New Jersey, with another project of garret cleaning and guard installation. So after we do the garret cleaning, we check all the corners, make sure the caulking is still in good condition. If not, we will implement new caulking. After that, we install the new cover, and that's exactly what we are doing on this house in Cliffside Park, Bergen County, New Jersey. Okay, and we are going with our guard installation project. Alright, so we are installing all around the house. So we have this section and in this area. Alright, all around the house. New guard installation to prevent debris goes into the garret. Okay, and we are going with our project. All right, as I mentioned, first we do the cleaning, and then we make inspection on the corner, make sure the caulking is still okay. If not okay, we will implement new one. But since like this garret, it's new all around the house, so basically all the caulking is good, and we just install the guards to prevent clog and debris. Okay, so at this point we finish it, install the guard, and this is how it looks, nice and clean. All right, and as I mentioned, usually we overlap, we say like ½ inch, to prevent any gaps in the middle, and on the ends usual we secure and make sure everything is sealed properly and no gaps or any debris get any chance to get in on the corners. Okay, another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing Company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.